What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. So I am back home for the holidays. I am currently on my way to the grocery store. So the plan is to have Sunday dinner. Oh, the plan is to have Sunday dinner with B and his family. So I need to go grocery shopping so I can make sure I get all the stuff that I need. So just to give a little rundown. Oh, sorry y'all, that sun is crazy. So just to give a little rundown on the plans for dinner. I'm sorry about the sun, y'all. I really am. I'm going towards the sun. So I plan on getting a box of chicken. I'm probably gonna do Bojangles because I like Bojangles chicken. I could do KFC, but I like that Bojangles has that spice to it. I like it. So I'm gonna do a box of Bojangles chicken because I didn't want to fry any chicken. I'll just buy it. And then I was thinking about doing macaroni, of course, mashed potato, and cabbage. I actually may swing by Food Lion too because I need to get collard greens and black eyed peas. If not Food Lion, I'll probably go to Walmart because I want to cook that for New Year's. But they say that it brings good luck and prosperity and all the things and good fortune, and I need all those things. So I want to make sure that I get that also. And then I'll probably do cornbread, and I probably need to get Hawaiian rolls, but I'm not going to. Don't get me wrong, if Aldi has them, I'll grab them. If they don't have them, I'm not about to stress myself about it. And then his family is bringing some meat, which is cool. So I have half of my grandma's strawberry cake, which they absolutely loved on Thanksgiving. So we'll have that too. So that'll be cute. I'm excited. I haven't hosted at my house at all since I've gotten it. The most hosting I have done is making sure that me and B eat good. So, and that's another thing. I need to get paper plates because I'm not washing dishes. No, thank you. So that is the plan. So this will probably be the 2-day vlog because my next vlog video is going to basically be a reset for the new year. I want to clean the house and have that all ready for 2026. Literally will be here in 3-4 days, something like that. So yeah, I wanted to do like a little 2-day, I might call it a weekend vlog. We'll see. The goal is going to be to post my Christmas vlog today. I don't know. I normally don't post on Saturday, but we'll see what happens with the algorithm. So I'll post my Christmas vlog today, and then I'll post my like vlog either Sunday or Monday, or I might just push it to the next week. But I really want to get my reset video out either the day of New Year's or the day before, so like that. So yeah, I'm going to head to Aldi's and I will see y'all in a few. I made it home. I wanted to do a quick haul for you. I'm gonna start with Walmart because Walmart is much smaller. So the Walmart has more so of my New Year's food, okay? I did the bag of collard greens. I know I go back to your roots, get the bunch and cut them up, clean them, all the things. I'm still gonna clean these, but half the work is already done. So this is what I got. I got a bag of collard greens, okay? I got leg. I got black-eyed peas, 2 of these, okay? I get Hawaiian rolls. Don't get me wrong, if we don't eat them all, I'll use them for New Year's, but New Year's I'll most likely make cornbread again. But I really got this for Sunday dinner. So that's probably the only thing that's for tomorrow. And then sugar. I was out of sugar and I really want to make sweet tea, so I did get sugar. So that is the Walmart bag because Aldi didn't have that stuff. They didn't have the turkey leg, they didn't have collard greens, they didn't have Hawaiian rolls, and they didn't have black eyed peas. Don't get me wrong, I wish I would have thought about the sugar. The sugar wasn't on my list. I don't know why, because I would have definitely got sugar from Aldi. It would have been way cheaper. So yeah, gonna put this up and then we're gonna move on to the Aldi's bag. All right, moving on to my Aldi bag. I do have potatoes. These are the russet. These I didn't do like my regular red potatoes I normally do. They say these are fluffier, so I am going to peel these tomorrow. That's another thing too. We're not eating like early. We're eating like more dinner. We're doing 5:36. So I'll have to get all of this done, which I love. Like no rushing or like to prep. Don't get me wrong, I could, but there's no need. I need something to do tomorrow during the day. So potatoes. I did buy some more onions and I did get sweet potato. I think I'm gonna do yams for New Year's since I'm doing potatoes for tomorrow. That's my thought process. We'll see. And then moving on to veggies, I did do the try bell peppers, yellow, red, and orange. I did get cabbage. I normally get a smaller head of cabbage, but I got this big boy since we are having company. Oh, I forgot about this one. I did get green bell peppers and I did squash. So since I'm doing macaroni tomorrow, I kind of don't want to do, so I'm going to do squash casserole for New Year's. Just to switch up the starch up a little bit, even though this is a vegetable, but y'all know what I mean, like all that cheese. And then I have some Colby Jack, because I think I already have sharp. I think I have Gouda too. So I did pick up cheese. I did get egg, so we can go ahead and knock out all the dairy. And then moving along, I did get 2 chicken broth. I did get 2 heavy cream. I got cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. I did get some noodles. I didn't do like the regular elbow. I got these because I wanted a little bit of flair, you know what I mean? So I did get that. Since I am making yams for New Year's, I did get some nutmeg and some cinnamon sugar. And I also got vanilla extract as well. And I got these from Aldi, so. And then I did get me some creamer. This is the caramel macchiato. And because I told y'all I am not washing dishes, I got me some paper plates and I did do spoons and forks and butter knives. And the last thing was I did get some paper towel. I think we have some, but I kind of just grabbed this out of hesitation. Wasn't sure. So I am going to put all of this up. I am going to eat some dinner with B. I am not cooking tonight since I'm cooking tomorrow. I actually picked us up some Bojangles. Y'all, if y'all have not tried the Bojangles sandwich, I think it's Bo chicken sandwich, you need to try it. It is absolutely delicious. A little pricey, like how most things are when you eat, a little pricey, but absolutely delicious. Me and B love it. So I treated us to that tonight. Y'all, I think for all of this, not talking about Walmart, I spent like $22 for this, for like the onions, all the veggies, and like, you know, the pantry stuff, and paper, $60. That's pretty good. I'm kind of here for it. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this up. And I'll see y'all tomorrow when it's time to cook. Yeah. Okay. You there? All I know is that chicken only cost me, I ain't gonna lie, chicken.
Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, man, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty in the struggle,
What's wrong?
it's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success.
No,
in my words and listen to my signal of distress. Grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less.
Look at
some niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. Life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying.
So babe, for New Year's, I ain't gonna lie, low-key, it depends on how much chicken we have left. Like if they eat all the chicken, then green, black eyed peas, oh my gosh, collard greens, black eyed peas.
Good news is, nigga, you came a long way. Bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Things supposed to be better like this. Better than yours, things like this. Better than yours, think being broke is better like this. Better than yours. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in those shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive.
So y'all, I just finished cooking everything and I've set everything up. We have fried chicken, we have cabbage, mashed potatoes, potato salad, or Hawaiian roll, and then macaroni. And then these people are supposed to be bringing something. If they don't, I mean, we have more than enough food. They do, the more the merrier, right? So yeah, this came great. I do have grandma's strawberry cake, which I absolutely love because they loved it for Thanksgiving. So now I'm just about to enlarge the table. I need to expand the table and pull out paper plates. I did have paper cups, which was clutch. And then that's it. I can't think of anything else to do. It is like 4:50 right now. So hopefully they'll be laying around 5 o'clock, 5:15, 5:30-ish. I can tell he's hungry. He's in a little bit of a mood. So yeah, we need to get this going so we can eat. So I'm gonna record some short form, expand that table, and then hopefully by then everybody will be here. Hey y'all, good morning. It is the next day. I just want to come back on camera and just say that the dinner did go good. I did have enough food. I actually have food left over, which is real nice, and they were able to take plates. Everybody didn't come, so that kind of worked out too. I had the siblings brought his girlfriend. So yeah, it was a nice little outing. We chit chat, talked a little bit, ate, good little fellowship, and had a good time. I was able to give them theirs. They did not bring me and B's gifts, but I think they're gonna bring them over later today, which is cool. But yeah, now I am off to the gym. I don't think I'm vlogging today. I think I am going to take a little break. I actually don't. So before you get this vlog, maybe before you get this video, there's supposed to be a Christmas video, but I'm running out of time, y'all. So it is Monday today and it is the 29th. So supposed to have like the Christmas vlog, which I haven't even, y'all, like I haven't even taken it off the car yet. So I have the Christmas vlog, and then I had this, which was basically like a cook with me, dinner with family, right? And then I wanted to work on my like New Year's stuff. So I'm running out of time and I don't even know if I'm gonna put out the Christmas, because if I put out the Christmas, it needs to be today. So that's why I don't want to vlog today. Today I'm gonna try to edit. I don't know if I'll get everything done, but just to see what I can get done and see what we can actually post. You know what I mean? Because for the New Year's content that I have in mind, it just doesn't make sense to put it out after New Year's. Like I either need to do it the day of New Year's or the day before. And I mean, it's already the 29th, you know what I mean? Are you gonna have time to like squeeze in these 2 videos compared to what you already? So that's something that I gotta work. That's something that I'm doing a lot of talking, but that is just I gotta work through, is trying to figure out one time to edit, and then like if I am, what I'm gonna post and what I'm gonna post, but we'll see. I'm hoping I can get everything out. I mean, even if it ends up me posting every day, have to be every day, you know what I mean? Like it might have to be back to back like that. We'll see, we will see. I mean, I'm not complaining if y'all aren't, right? More content, I guess. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.